the top 6.
It was fun.
Yep, the top 6 will be answering just one final question.
I want to be a good bridge to Chinese and Filipino.
That I can help the Chinese-Filipino community by showing them my knowledge.
Our second runners-up, Brian Christopher Gotcheko.
Candidate number 10, Carly Chua. Our Mr. and Miss Chinatown Philippines 2018.
Our Mr. Chinatown Philippines 2018 is candidate number 6, Moises Limi Yuen.
And our Miss Chinatown Philippines 2018 is candidate number 8, Marie K.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Chelsea.
It has truly been a great night of celebrating beauty in diversity.